Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on Boscobel Drive towards Seaview Close in Boscobel Heights, St. Mary Parish. Turning onto Seaview Close, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us towards the Hills of Boscobel. Seaview Close ends and we are turning back to Boscobel Drive. We are back at Boscobel Drive. Going left will take you to the Hills of Boscobel, and going right will take you towards the Northern Coastal Highway. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.